Okay, my name's Lynn, and this is my first YouTube video, and I know the lighting is not the best, but hey, what can I say? I will try not to use foul language. I'm known to do that. Gotta get this wheel hub. I am working on the Middle Earth Cessna Skyhawk. It's a 172, not the scale aircraft. And I used to fly these things. Let me get my eyeballs on, because I'm blind in one eye and can't see out the other. And as you can tell, I've already started working on this, and I had a friend who told me I should do a YouTube. And I'm not going to mention initials, Foxx. And don't talk as much as Foxx, I don't think, but I probably will. Oops. And I hope I won't have to put a $1 in the ISM pot. And Paul and the ISM guys know what I'm talking about. Alright. I don't have music here because YouTube's. And this was fitting last time. And so I will do the best. So I do a lot of concentrating, so depends on turn this way. Okay, you're not going on. Jeeps. So I don't know how I'm going to do this yet, since this is my first. This Middle Earth is sometimes fidgety. It bends real easy. And I've had to use CA glue on bits and pieces because it just did not work out. If you hear a squawk or something in the background, that's my little sweetie. That's my parrot. I'll have to get him on here one day. I've been making models since 1975, there's abouts. After my, do I get on there? Get on there. After my first brain tumor, yippee. And I just now started getting back into it because I saw Paul's E-Models F4U Corsair build. And my favorite airplane is the F4U Corsair. And come on, you're not doing this right. Get done. And yes, I do talk to myself sometimes. Sometimes. Most of the times. I don't want to put any pressure on it because I don't want to bend the thing. There we go. Come on, a little bit further. Snap, snap, snap. Sehr gut. Bend it here. I've had to use CA glue on this thing a couple of times because there's some finicky pieces that won't stay still. And these tweezers aren't helping. And here we go. Trusty needle nose pliers. And I don't work in here for too long because of my neck. But hey. I want to try not to get my head in here or anything because I can't see the camera unless I look up and do that. So I think I've been in shot just some. If it goes out of shot, I'm sorry. Alright, now we need the other wheel. I know. But it says you don't need to have anything to cut these off, but I like to give a little bit of help. There we go. And I'm going to try to keep these down a little bit because I really don't know what my time is. But anyway, could do a little build update while I'm at it. Because over there on the other side, ching, 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 ching. There you go. That went on a lot easier, I think. There. And get this wheel on. And we'll go shaky cam for a second. And like I said, I hate not to talk much. I don't know how to do the speedy thing. So like I said, I'm going to keep these nice and short. So, and I've been building models for over 30 years now, on and off. And yep, we'll do it this way. Very gently, wise. Squeeze. Gently. Squeeze. Okay. Now. Come on. One more little squish. Squish. I'm going to bend these out. That down. We'll fix these in a minute. Alright. There's one little Cessna. He's not finished yet. But I'm going to show y'all something else. Let me zoom me out a little bit. Don't tell me I've been working off the camera. If I have, oops. So, this is the Horrid Testers F1117. Move my lamp. And it's not too bad. I've been letting it sit. I got some nasty seam lines right there in the wings, right here. See them? I don't know if you can. I have terrible lighting, like I said. And I got some here. But it's not bad. The cockpit could use Where am I? Cockpit could use a little help, but I don't think it looks too bad. The underneath is a different story. This is all messed up, but that's okay. And these little boogers right here, I'll zoom in a little bit. Maybe you can see the cockpit. Nope, not enough lights. But, okay. Where is the cockpit tonight? Yeah, a little bit in there. But these little guys right here, there, these little guys, they're a pain. They keep falling off every time I touch them. So I'm going to get a little drop of CA and drop on there and see if that'll help. And I know this is my first video, my first attempt, and I'm playing right now. There's the canopy. There's a canopy right here. Have to get used to where the camera is. Let's zoom out a little bit. There. There's the canopy. This is the one that all the glass decides to fall out when I was masking it. Okay. Now, I'll put this back up. See what my lovely time is. If I can read upside down. Where is the time? Okay. Oh, it's been 12 minutes. Okay. I will let it run for a little bit longer. Like I said, this is the first Get You Back in Shot. This is my first attempt at YouTube's. And I hope y'all are liking it. I'm sure I'll get better with my next ones and everything. And now everybody knows what I sound like, and everybody knows that I actually build models instead of just hanging out on ISM and the Styrene Syndicate high gill and everything like that. Oh, you probably noticed, focus, I found out the oven does get hot. I'm okay, Tony, thank you. And let's see, the next part, we have done the wheels. I'll scratch it over here. That was me because my pencil hit my burn. I know I need to cover it up, but I'm letting it air out. Okay. Now, let's see what's next on the agenda. Okay, we can start with number 12. We've done those. Put the hubs on. Okay, we've done number 9. And number 13 is the engine. So we will get number... No, the 13 is the... Something's missing. Okay, we cut out the prop and we cut out the nose cone. Okay, I think I'm going to end it right here. It's 15 minutes. And I know I babbled too much. Or does everybody say waffle? I want some waffles. Oh well. I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.